Clostridium perfringens is a type of bacteria that causes foodborne poisoning. It is a spore-forming, obligate anaerobic bacterium that is widely distributed in nature, including in the intestines of humans and animals, soil, sewage, food, and dust. Clostridium perfringens foodborne poisoning occurs when the bacteria grow in the human intestine and produce enterotoxin, which is a type of intestinal poison. The symptoms include abdominal pain, diarrhea, and nausea, and they usually appear 6 to 24 hours after consuming contaminated food. The most common cause of Clostridium perfringens foodborne poisoning is consuming meat, fish, and vegetables that have been cooked in large quantities and kept warm for a long time. To prevent the bacteria from growing, it is important to heat the food thoroughly and keep it at a safe temperature. To prevent Clostridium perfringens foodborne poisoning, it is important to follow food safety guidelines, such as washing hands and utensils, separating raw and cooked foods, and storing food at safe temperatures. It is also recommended to consume freshly cooked food and avoid eating leftovers that have been kept warm for a long time. In conclusion, Clostridium perfringens foodborne poisoning is a type of food poisoning that can be prevented by following food safety guidelines and heating food thoroughly. If you experience symptoms of foodborne poisoning, seek medical attention immediately.